All right, today we've got The Entertainer by Scott Joplin. This is a portion of the piece. Page 140, 141. Now look at that left hand, the left hand warm-up at the top of 140. Now, I'm not playing everything staccato because they aren't all marked with staccato. These are full value, full staccato, staccato, and full value, short, 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 full value, short, short, full value, short, 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 short. So, Scott Joplin indicated the tempo of this piece, I think, to be in the mid to high 80s or low 90s. So let's see what that sounds like. Here is 88. Yeah, that might be a little, let's try 92. Alright. So this is the only thing on today's lesson, so hopefully you've practiced it, or you're going to hear me play it first, and then you're going to practice it. Either way you do it. Starts out forte, then goes to piano, has some crescendo, decrescendo, some small dynamic differences. Now look at the last two lines of the song. You'll notice that the left hand has the right hand is anticipating each one of those, every other one of those, an eighth note early. These are together, and together. Now don't do what I just did and anticipate the left hand early too. The left hand comes right on the beat. So, I'm going to do this one with the metronome because I feel that it's really important to practice with the metronome and to be able to stick right with the metronome, because a battery-powered metronome very rarely is going to be inaccurate. It's not going to speed up and slow down unless your batteries are going bad. So we want to be able to internalize this speed, feel it, and be able to play with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one thing is that this last dotted half note, technically, I cut it an eighth note early. I didn't hold for 1 and 2 and 3 and. I held it for 1 and 2 and 3 because the last note in the left hand is a staccato note, which means I'm going to release that note right after I play it. It's going to be a short note. And if I held the right hand note for its technical full value of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you see that the right hand kind of overlaps the left. So in order for the piece to end together, in music we say this is off on 3. So when you strike the third beat with your left hand, that's when your right hand releases. 1 and 2 and 3 and. They are together. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Instead of, see the difference. So, if you have any questions with The Entertainer, let me know. The Entertainer by Scott Joplin. Now 141.